In this quick guide, I'll show you how to sign up for Udemy so you can start learning new skills or even share your expertise with the world. To get started, open any web browser you prefer, such as Chrome, Firefox, or Safari, and search for Udemy. It should appear right at the top of your search results. Click on the official website to open the Udemy homepage. Once you're on the site, look to the top right corner of the page where you'll find the sign up option. Select it and you will be asked to enter a few basic details, including your email address and a password. Take a moment to make sure your information is correct, then confirm by selecting Create Account or Sign Up. Just like that, your Udemy account is ready. After signing in, you will see your dashboard filled with learning possibilities. If you're here to explore new skills, you can use the search bar to look for anything from programming and photography to personal development and more. Udemy's courses are created by professionals, so you can trust the quality of what you're learning. If you're interested in becoming an instructor, you can head to the instructor section, where Udemy provides all the tools you need to create and publish your own course for a global audience. And that's it. You're officially ready to begin your learning or a teaching journey on Udemy. Enjoy exploring everything the platform has to offer.